What's up, everyone? This video was recorded on July 25th, 2024. The current time is 7:58 a.m. and it is currently 76 Fahrenheit, 24 Celsius. And I'm going to be riding from over here at the Clark Community Park. It's a very nice park. On my 9-bot F2 all the way back to the other side of town near I-75, unbelievably. This is a really nice park if you want to just come and relax, do a morning jog. Oops, that was bumpy. I remember when they had just repaved over here. It looks like the tree root is already taking its toll on the pavement. You can watch trains to the right if you want a rail fan. This looks really, really beautiful in the rain. Let me go ahead and clean off the lens here a bit. Some water got onto it. It's now exactly 8 o'clock a.m. You can watch trains to the right or jog around over here, and there's a pretty steep incline as you see. Got a playground, pretty nice playground. Let me go ahead and not press the brakes too much there. It's a bit too hard how much I press the brakes, but look at that. It's a pretty cool playground. Got the city of Stockbridge maintenance trucks going on there. So over here is upkept. But now I'm gonna ride all the way over to near I-75 on a scooter. Hi. Should be pretty fun, but you gotta be very careful. So I'm gonna take a right. We're gonna go up this road. Normally I usually don't stream this early at 8 o'clock in the morning, so I was gonna do a live, but I don't know if anybody would join. I usually don't stream this early, so I'll definitely record a video though, however. Higher quality anyway. I could also take the left over there and come out to another street that'll pretty much land me back on this road anyway, and show you how the neighborhood looks. If I wanted to. And that's just FYI, you can take a slight detour and come out through this road if you wanted to. So pretty homes to the left. They are very wooden panels. It's a lot of maintenance, but very pretty properties. It's a pretty big hill we're going up. My scooter's wanting to get up this hill. We're doing 8.8 miles an hour, 9 miles an hour, which is like about 15, 16 kilometers an hour, I believe, or thereabouts. Let me turn around and show you this amazing view and then loop back around. There's a car over there coming, but look at this. Really pretty views. Ooh, this scooter almost did a wheelie. It's a lot of power. It's a lot of power. Right now we're on Davis Road, passing North Davis Drive. Really big property to the left. These are really big properties to the left. Really huge driveways. Cool. Taking care of their plants at that property there. That's awesome. Cars coming to the right. Like I ran over an earthworm. I hope not. They usually come out obviously after it rains. There's a plaza over here called the Shops at Stockbridge. It's in an interesting spot though. It doesn't look like it would get much business, but it's depending on how you view it. But it is pretty open though, still nonetheless. They're also going to widen the road over here, thankfully, so it's not going to be this thin 2-lane road of a kind of nightmare over here that it currently is. Okay, now we're going to take a ride onto Stockbridge Road. Okay. Which is also the same as Lake Spivey Parkway. It's Highway 138. already looked like the driver in that Jeep already looking at me to the right. It's a slight attitude. Maybe she didn't want to go into work. I can relate. Or maybe the driver is just going too slow. Here comes it. Highway intersection number 1. This is Interstate 675. Should have enough time to cross. Appreciate it. This is a moderate accessible road. You can take the Route 197 bus into Clayton County if you wanted to. Today I'm going to go ahead and try and ride the sidewalk and see if that does any better, to show you guys if you're scooting over here by chance or cycling, if that will help you with the traffic situation. There's a sidewalk to the right. Jackson and Queen Mary Dixon Memorial Highway. This is a very busy intersection, so let's just see if this way works. A lot of people have to get onto this highway to go to work and etc. Interstate 75. It's a main throughway for a lot of places to get to and access here in Metro Atlanta and the suburbs. A lot of broken glass over here and stuff, and here we go. Pass through the area. Thankfully, there weren't a lot of cars over here. But I'm gonna go through over here to the express bus stop and let's see what's going on over here, in case if you wanted to commute to downtown Atlanta. What's up? Yeah. Looks like they're reconstructing something, but cool. Big spider. It's a pretty big spider on the web over there. A little concerning, but here's the waiting area for the express bus. If you wanted to come over here. Here's how the area looks, depending on how crowded it gets. going to go to the right and go down another intersection. Here's I-75. And right now we're back on Lake Spivey Parkway, by the way, not I-75, but this is that was the really overpass rather of Interstate 75. Okay. They're charging $3.29 per gallon for gas, $3.29 USD. 2 eggs, breakfast and lunch. To the right, they have a Wendy's over here as well. Pretty cool. There's a performing arts center apparently over to the right. Wendy's. And BrandSmart is to the right. Right over here. As well as at-home furniture. So Kohl's over there and an Avon, as well as the CVS pharmacy. They're building a hotel to the left. It's still under construction, but they're making very good progress. And that'll go ahead and do it for me, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please hit that like button, consider subscribing for more awesome content, and I will definitely see you all next time. Thanks for watching and take care.